G'day, I'm Murray. This is my backyard, and this is very unusual for a magpie video, but I'm doing an introduction. A couple of reasons. I had a corrupted file on one of my memory cards, and yesterday there was no video, and it was a relief because it's been crazy trying to keep up with the daily visits of magpies, and honestly, it was lovely. Another thing, I went down and checked on the magpie nest today, and also I collected a bunch of rocks and sticks that are mower killers from near there, and somewhere right down the bottom of the gully I got a heap of rocks out. And on the way back, not very far from the magpie nest, everything was fine, and I saw them feed the chick. Didn't film it. I saw him chasing a wedge-tailed eagle quite high along this ridge line at the back here. Brave little fella. Can't see him. I'm standing under the nest tree right now, so that's not very far away. It's a bit windy. And I found, not very far from the magpie nest, a pile of Kookaburra feathers. Now, it was quite a pile, and I'm going to show that after this introduction, and there's going to be a countdown, and you can pause it during the countdown, and you can skip ahead with the timestamps to the magpies getting a feed today. So people might not want to see, there's no bones, there's no blood, but honestly, I don't think that particular Kookaburra is flying anywhere. I think something bad happened to it, and it is no more. If you don't want to see that, skip ahead in right. It's the magpie tree, a wallaby either side of it, if I can zoom in enough to show them. I came down here this morning to check on them and to pick some rocks out of, rocks and sticks out of the fairly freshly cut grass. And when I was coming back, let's see, where is it? Ooh. I found quite a lot of feathers. And when I say quite a lot, and here it is. That is not a feather that was just pulled out of a bird, that was gnawed off. Yeah, it's not me shaking, it's a little bit breezy. I think something sat in this tree and ate a Kookaburra. I could be wrong, the Kookaburra could be alive. I think it would be pretty optimistic to expect it to be flying very well, and I don't think it is. I'm absolutely confident the Magpies did not do that to a Kookaburra. It was a raptor of some kind. And I don't mind talking when I approach wallabies, so that I don't scare them and they don't think I'm trying to sneak up on them. Well, that one's gone. Oops. Okay guys, I'm talking to the wallabies. Right, plovers warning me about chicks. Okay, upsetting update. I assume it's one of the local pair of breeding magpies. I have no idea. And that's the only puddle of feathers I found. And while it's not far from the magpies, you know, they're not I wouldn't rate them as a suspect. Okay. Well, would you like a bale, man? I can see your eye makeup. Okay, I'll meet you around the back. Oops, I'm going to go change a hose around. I'll sort that out after I get the camera set up. Hey lady. Just getting sorted. You ready? You ready? Pretty good. Oh, gee, you went way up there. Back down. Come on, in you go. Yeah, okay. I was watering up the side near the banana bed outside the garden. She came round the corner and yeah, nearly took my head off. He's come for a slow forage walk, but he's a bit away from here at the moment. I might give him this bale again soon. She came back super fast. And he... Okay, yep, you're on. Shove, mate, shove. Yeah, this bale's moving. Well, there was some digging done here, I can tell that much. Back off. Okay, she's right across the back there. Here we go. Good luck, lady. Oh, it's a good one. You need 2 beaks, ma'am. That's working for her, isn't it? She's just dropped him, picked him up again. She thinks she can fit 1 or 2 more. And off she goes. Oop, that hose is done too. She's really fast on the turnaround. That was no time at all. Here you go, lady. Roaches. Oh, are you in shock? Little lady, it's been quite a while. You want to try that last bale again? Oop. Careful, some grass there. I tell you what, I'll go set up, you forage, and we'll see how we go. Oh, copyrighted music. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, she's a coming. Okay, little lady. Here we go. Be good. Yep, that'll do you. You know, it makes you feel good to help magpie chicks out. It really does. It makes you feel good to help magpies out too. Just spotted you, ma'am. Okay, I'm just going to pop it back. Same bale again. Okay. Oops, get rid of that grass. Fingers crossed, something there. Well, I think that bale was a bit played out there. 3 roaches she took off with. I think they eat the smaller ones and they carry back the larger ones. I don't know. But I swear I saw him the other day eating some... Oh, those little hard things. You know what they are.